Pokazuję patyczkiem.
What's this?
A flying coin, you know.
Oh, really?
Alien technology.
Which type of witchcraft engineering is this?
Neomagnetic.
This is maglev.
Yes.
Yeah, don't worry, I am an engineer, so I should.
Neodymium magnets, 4 coils inside, electronic circuit that positions it in the center.
Incredible. Okay.
7 ounce of silver.
7 ounce.
7 ounce of silver, so it's a coin.
Oh, magnificent. Thank you.
Thank you.
Do anything. Mint of Poland. Mint of Poland has actually given us something to think about. Before I go to Swiss, oh, Munze Osteri. Let me get a picture of Munze Osteri. Ah, this is their house. Incredible. And yes, they actually did something quite cool, to be honest. Munze Osteri. They did something quite cool. Well, nothing too much to do with Munze Osteri. Okay, you have their sales people on here. No, they did quite well. Munze Osteri. Hello, how are you? Which one?
Over here and over there.
No, the language of flowers. I have all the series from the dandelion to the rose, marigold. Yeah, I've done all of them. So, yeah. Thank you. We have Mint XXI here. Oh my gracious me.
Hello. If you would like, we have exclusive preview of the next screen set here.
Ah, okay, sure. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you very much. This is from Mint XXI. They don't normally give me gifts.
21, actually.
Yeah, XXI in Roman numeral is 21. So yeah, don't worry, I'm a mathematician. No, I'm just joking. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Anyways, that concludes it for us for Mint XXI. They have actually done quite well. Benchmark for presentation and design in terms of the booth. Have the Hungarian mint. All right, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you from the art mint. Yeah, let me check out your competitor. Coin. All right, Coin Invest Trust. CIT. Yeah, I saw. Oh, Real Casa Dela Mande. Oh, where can I buy the gold coin that I'm missing? I'm missing the. Is it the horse? Yeah, I'm missing the horse. I need to ask them about the horse. Power coin. Bank of Greece. It's Clade. Nah, it's not pure gold.
This is a good code. Scan there. Scan. Yes.
Nice. It is not as heavy as gold.
It's not gold, no.
No worries. Thank you very much. Oh dear, this person is trying to whine me. Oh my goodness, let me see what they have. Creators of this gangster series has been a success, to be honest, both in America and all around the world. Okay, Lucky Luciano.
Yep.
Interesting.
Did you heard about our new?
Yes, Pablo Escobar. Yes, yes. Sorry, the Peaky Blinders. Yeah.
Are you interested? Do you like them?
This one I've already gotten it. This Auto Pendragon. That's the newest one that you guys launched. Was it a few weeks ago?
This of Dragons is here. Now you saw it already.
I have it already.
You have it already. Wow. Do you have already this one?
I've already paid for this one,
Yeah.
but I don't have the money fair, the World Money Fair.
Yeah, this one is 50 euros. And it's only 200 pieces and it's numbered.
Ah. But I believe the one that you buy individually does have a COA, right?
Sorry, doing it individually.
Yeah, it does have a COA, the individual ones.
Yes, each coin has a number.
Yeah, but this one is specially for the World Money Fair.
Yes, because of that, exactly. And of the blister.
Blister card, special. Interesting. I didn't know that. All right, we are here, TNS. TNS, oh my gracious me. Yeah, these guys just launched probably, was it late last year? So they are fairly new and their coins have actually gone viral throughout the coin market. These guys are not smiling. Today is limited. Yes, today is from Korea. These are the major distributors for the Comsco Mint. Hello, how are you? Where is Jin?
Jin is in a meeting.
Not in Korea. Where is Grace?
Me.
How are you, Grace?
Who are you? Sorry.
Who am I?
Yes.
I am Mr. Nobody. I'm just a normal person coming onto the show. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, yeah, I'm just checking out what you have.
You're the designer?
No.
Only to show.
Great products from these guys, really good.
Do you own a coin shop?
No, I'm a YouTuber.
Yeah, okay.
So, Cobra stuff. So have a look.
Cobra Stacker. Oh, thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Cobra Stacker. Yeah.
Lovely to meet you, Mark.
Thank you.
Take care, brother.
Yeah. See you. All right. So that was Cobra Stacker, but he doesn't know who I am, which is good. Really nice looking guy. And yes, I just keep myself discreet and humble. Alrighty. Alright, that does it for us with Coin Invest Trust. Let me take a picture of them. Alright, let's keep moving. Oh, Real Casa Dela Mande. Oh, where can I buy the gold coin that I'm missing? I'm missing is it the horse? Yeah, I'm missing the horse. I need to ask them about the horse. Hello, do you have the 110th horse?
No, we don't have bullion coins.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah,
Sorry.
because that's the one that I'm actually missing.
well,
because I have the links, I have the bull.
Yeah, you can buy it over here if you want. In our store, you can buy it.
In Berlin?
No, Berlin,
In Spain?
Online store.
No, because I need you to ship to New Zealand. So
We don't have it.
it's fine. Thank you.
If you want one of these, you can see.
No, I have full knowledge. I have the links, I have the bull, but
Yeah.
I want the horse. That is the last one in my collection.
The horse, okay, the 10th, the horse. We're gonna use you in March, April.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you for the information.
Sí, yo me hubiera gustado estar con él ahora con Emporio, porque he estado con él en la anterior, en la de Shoulder.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Como me colocó esta
Good.
mañana Sánchez, pero luego tiene salto de la dieta baja en la coche.
Power coin. Otters coin. Yeah, this is one of the guys from Germany. They do sell quite a lot of things, and yes, that is where I normally get all my coins from. Professional service from them. So yes, Otters coins, and yes, they have every single thing available. So you guys that always wonder, where do you get your coins from? I get it from friends, I get it from family, and yes, I get it from trusted people like Others Coin. Yeah, that is where I do get most of my coins from. So if you want to be part of the successful club, you know what to do. You have to possibly jump on the Otter Coins website and yeah, get what you have to get from them. And yes, alrighty. So yes, that is one of the big massive news to wrap up the 2024, the World Money Fair from Berlin. And yes, a very big thank you to each and every single one of you for dropping by to view yet another of not my coin showcasing video, but this travel World Money Fair showcasing videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.